What up, folks? John 3107 2000, bringing it to you live from the Kink Liberty 2013. Gorgeous in midnight black, just absolutely stunning. Let me start out by saying I bought this as a complete bike. It's a 2013 model, so I actually saved $100 on it just because it's 2013. It came out of the box just like a brand, well, it was brand new, but just like the 2014's, never been ridden before I bought it. And this is just going to be your 2013 Kink Liberty bike check. Gonna go over what we got on here. First, let's start out with the Kink Omega hand grips, and I believe they're Kink Drive bar ends, just plastic. On Kink Uptown bars, I believe it's 8.25 inch rise, 28.5 inches wide, hooked to a Mission converged stem, front load stem, Mission integrated headset, hooked to full chromoly Kink Strife 2 forks. That goes into a Mission Echo hub, sealed. Not female, but it's sealed. Kink steel pegs, nothing special. My guess is generic spokes. But this is actually an Alienation Black Sheep rim on both the front and the back. Double walled. And Duo STV or SVT tires, I forget. They're okay. They're pretty much stock. They're better than the Kendras that come on the whip, I can tell you that much. That's the front end. And like I said, the frame is full chromoly, 20.75 inch head tube. I believe that's a Lexington seat, Kink Lexington seat, on a pivotal seat post, Mission seat clamp. There's the Kink, and there's the badass sticker. I normally would peel those off, but that's bad enough, I'm not going to. Mission Transit 3-piece crank. 19mm Spanish sealed ball bearing or bottom bracket. I believe it's the 510 half length chain. Mission, I believe, Impulse plastic pedals, which I believe, if I was told right, is what Tony Hamlin rides, so I don't see a reason to change it. Again, as I said in my other video, this bike is made to be brakeless, so there is no brake. There's no holes to mount the brake. There's that one hole on the crossbar that the brake that comes with the bike, which is just to make it legal. A bolt goes through there and holds the brake on there, so that if they really wanted to get technical with you, you could throw it on there and be like, no, I got a brake, it's all good. And now we'll go, again, it's the Duo SVT tire, or STV tire, I can't even remember. Alienation Black Sheep rim again. This is the Echo React, the Mission React sealed hub with the cassette hub with the 9-tooth, 25 tooth Nexus steel sprocket, right hand drive, and the other steel peg. But basically that's the bike in a nutshell. I haven't upgraded anything. I haven't even ridden this yet, so that's brand new out of the box, just put together by the guy down at Outlaw Board and Bikes, I think is what it's called technically. But he just got it putting it together when I walked in, grabbed it, and came back home. Started doing the video. So another video update to come when I start doing some changes to it and I start riding it around so that I got some information to give you guys. I hope this has been helpful. I know the 2014 model really didn't change all too much. I believe the grips are different. And I think that maybe the crank is different. But other than that, I believe the 2014 Liberty is pretty much the exact same. Except you can't get this badass color. This color is just sick. But that's the video. Rate, comment, subscribe. Let me know if this is helpful. Let me know if you guys want to see anything more. Hopefully this was informative to you. Rate, comment, subscribe. John 3107 2000. Hoping you guys have a great day. Later, guys.